Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install Windows 11 25H2. Open your favorite browser, search for UUP dump. Open this first link. This website is from Microsoft. This website is a safe website. You can download different version of Windows. Here select version of Windows 11. We want to download Windows 11 25H2. Then select the first one. It is the latest version. Here select your language. Then next. Here select the edition of Windows, which edition you need or you want. I want to download a Windows 11 Pro. You can download a whom or anyone you want. Then click on next. Here make sure to select download and convert to ISO. Then create download package. It is downloaded. It is around 8 KB. In this step, close your browser, open download. We download this file. Right click here, create a new folder, write any name you want. Then cut or copy this file, paste inside of this folder. We create one folder, it is Windows 11. I paste the file here. Extract this file. This file is zip. You can extract it with WinRAR or 7-zip. Extract here. When you extract, you will see these files. Find UUP download Windows. Right click here, select run as administrator. If you get this message, click on more info, run anyway. Yes. Here you will get this error. Close CMD, delete this one, come back. We create this folder. Make sure to create a folder without any space. Then hit enter, come back. Again repeat this step, run as administrator. Yes. Now write R to run. This step will take 1 or 2 hours depend on your network. Hit enter. Now it is finished. Press 0 or Q to exit. Again, if you come back to your folder you create before, it was Windows 11. Now Windows 11 ISO is available. It is created. This ISO is around 6 gig. In this step, you need to download this software. Open new tab, search for Rufus.ie, hit enter, scroll down, download Rufus. It is standard. Download this version 4.9.exe for Windows. In this step, you need a USB flash drive 8 gig or above. 8 gig, plug in your USB flash drive. Now in this step, double click on Rufus. Yes. Select find the ISO we create before or you create before. It was on download. It was on Windows 11 folder. It is here. Select and open. You can change this volume level. You can write any name you want. I want to write here 25H2. Click on start. Customize Windows installation. If you want, you can select all. If you don't want, you can remove or uncheck anyone you don't want. Okay. Okay. Again, okay. This step will take a few moments to copy all Windows 11 files on the USB flash drive. Please wait. When this step complete, close it. Now everything is ready. Restart your system. When you restart your system, press Windows both keys depend on your hardware. It is a list of Windows both keys for different hardware. When you press Windows boot keys, you will see boot manager. Here select USB device or find USB device, hit enter. Here select language setting. You can leave as default or you can change. Next, here select keyboard settings. Again leave as default. Next, I agree everything. Next, here enter your product key if you have. If you don't have, click here I don't have product key. Accept. Here remove your C drive. Select C drive, delete partition. Next, install. In this step, your system will restart several times. Please wait. In this step, enter your name, any name you want. Next, enter a password. Next, confirm your password. Next, answer these 3 questions. Next, guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. If you want to install Windows 10, then watch this video. Have a good time. See you soon.